We took delivery of a William Optics Cat 91 WIFD telescope, and we are super excited to review it.
In this video, we unbox the scope and talk about its amazing specs, which imply a flatter field than a Takahashi telescope costing 3 times as much. I'm Ren Edwards.
And I'm Boyd Edwards.
Let's talk sensor sensibility.
We have loved our Cat 71 WIFD telescope. We love its wide field of view, its camera rotator, its focuser, its stunning looks, including the picture of a cat with diffraction spike whiskers.
What more could we ask for?
A bigger cat with a flatter field. Thanks to the staff at William Optics, we were able to purchase one of the 30 first edition Cat 91 telescopes, which includes a free guide scope.
We purchased the Cat 91 with our own money, and William Optics has no say over the content of this video.
The Cat 91 has a 5-element advanced Petzval design with 3 extra low dispersion elements, a focal length of 448 millimeters, aperture 91 millimeters, focal ratio f/4.9, and a 55 millimeter image circle. And it supports full frame and even medium frame sensors.
These are exciting specs, but how flat is the field?
Spot diagrams hold the answer. Ideally, all of the light from a single star would arrive at a single point on the camera sensor, regardless of the color of the light and its path through the optical system. In practice, though, light from a single star creates a spot, not a point, on the sensor, with spots becoming larger and more distorted the farther away you are from the center of the sensor. In this illustration, spot A is at the center. Spot C is 22 millimeters away from the center at the corner of a full-frame sensor, and spot B is midway between A and C. And here are the spot diagrams calculated at points A, B, and C for the Cat 71, the Cat 91, and the Takahashi FSQ-106EDX4. The Cat 71 and TAC 106 are popular telescopes that are highly regarded for their optical quality, but the Cat 91 is clearly in a league of its own. Look at those tiny spots. The Cat 91 has spots that are almost as small as the Airy disk, which is the minimum spot size set by the physics of light diffraction and is represented on this chart by yellow circles. No matter how good your optics, you cannot get a spot that is smaller than the Airy disk, whose radius depends on the wavelength of light and the focal ratio of the telescope. Using the average wavelength of visible light and the f/4.9 focal ratio of the Cat 91 gives an Airy radius of 3.3 microns, which also applies to the Cat 71 and TAC 106 because of their nearly identical focal ratios. Because of its small spot sizes, the Cat 91 effectively has diffusion-limited optics, which is the holy grail of optical quality.
Can we please unbox the Cat 91?
Be my guest. Nice case. Dimensions about 10 inches by about 26 inches by about 12 inches tall.
If you want to see, whoa,
And a cat.
with whiskers.
With whiskers. Wait, does that cat have whiskers? Yeah, it does. It has fraction spike whiskers. Oh, a nice tool. That's the
Multi-tool.
multi-tool. Very, very nice. A M54 adapter for camera.
This is product warranty and patent stickers.
Perfect. Uniguide scope, I think it's 32 millimeters. All right, be my guest.
You want to take the box out of the way? Oh, it's bigger than the 71.
Take this out of the way.
Yeah.
Screws. The focuser here is just as smooth as it can be. We love the smooth focuser on this WIFD. And the fact that everything's internal and it doesn't create camera, the focuser doesn't create the possibility of camera tilt. And speaking of tilt, look at that rotator.
So the rotator is just like the 71. You've got degree markings on the cam rotator and an easy stop so you can not stop.
So
an easy screw down so you can go back to the same spots.
Yeah, so if you're shooting two different objects during a period.
Nice and smooth too. Look at this. Just the exact right amount of resistance. It's beautiful. That's William Optics does such a good job with these.
Machining. So the lens cap with the integrated batten-off mask. This is such a nice design. Very, very cool.
And what about, is the dew shield stationary? Oh, it's stationary.
Looks like it is.
Can you take it off? Oh, you can.
Yeah, it's nice. It just feels really quality. A nice big mounting plate.
Nice dovetail. Yeah.
Dovetail. A temperature. Show them the temperature.
What is this sensor roll? But yeah, temperature gauge.
Temperature gauge. Yeah, exactly.
Even has the RedCat on the top too. This definitely bigger than the 71. Feels heavier.
And it's got 5 elements in it. Well, in conclusion, this bad boy has amazing specs. And if it lives up to these specs, it's going to be a game changer in the industry.
As soon as the clouds and the full moon disappear, we're going for first light.